If you're still struggling on how to install a mini twist, this video is for you. Already my hair is freshly washed, but there's no moisture. Why? It's because it's a high porosity hair. And that brings me to using hair butter and my hair growth oil. The next thing I did after unraveling one section of the hair was to detangle with my hand, which I'll be doing to other sections, and then go on with a white tooth comb to detangle properly, starting from the end down to the root, as you can see in the video. Please, in this process, I suggest you be gentle with your hair. Do not rush it. Take your time to detangle properly. After which, I'll go on with my hair growth oil, applying from the end down to the roots, and also be massaging it down into my scalp. All these processes are just to maximize hair growth and also to retain length, which I'll be repeating the same process to all sections. Here I'm done with the process. The next is to tie my hair up. So for this video, I'll be using a rat tail comb. I don't know what you call it. Some people call it cotton comb, but whichever one you call it is fine. So I'll be passing from the back. I know some of you will be like, how were you able to achieve this straight line? I use my hand to trace the lines, so sometimes it might not really come out to be neat, because you do not have your eyes at your back. Funny enough, I was just using my phone camera as my mirror, though I have mirror around, but I was only using my phone camera. Just like I said at the beginning of this video, I will only be using my hair butter, hair growth oil and water to achieve this style. After cutting out the section you would want to first work with, split the subsection into 2 equal halves and then twist around each other, starting from the root down to the end. I do not like braiding the under, but if you choose to, no problem, that's fine. If you look closely, you will notice that my hair is creamy length, very beautiful and very worth again. Maybe you should put that in the comment section. I will then go on to repeat the same process for this first section, as you can see in the video. Guys, if natural hairstyles and growth is something you are passionate about, you are in the right place. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel for more hair tips videos like this. So here I'm done with the first sections. I'll then go on to cuts for the second section. It might not really be that neat, and that's fine. At some point I was cutting with my almost the same with cutting with my rat tail comb or cotton comb, whichever one you want to call it. So done for the second section. Here I'm cutting for the third section. At some point your rat tail comb might not really give you that straight line, might not really cover to give you that straight line, but it's fine. What I want you to do for me is to trace the line with your nails and then get it right. Here I'm done with the first, second and third section. The next is to cut out from the front side. I didn't want to get everything all mixed up, that's why I usually cut out from my front side. After which I'll be putting the front side together and also be putting the back side up, as you can see here in the video. I will then go on to cut for the 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th line. And I hope you remembered when I said I'll be using my hair butter, hair growth oil and water for this video. At this point my hair was dry, so I needed to apply water on it. See, if you must start this journey, I advise you eat something. Here I'm done with the back side. I'll then go on to put together and focus on the front side. I will still repeat myself again, if you must start this journey, make sure you have taken something, because it's not a 30 minutes journey. At this point hunger wanted to finish me, but I still know I must take something, and that was all I could get at that moment, with water also. Next is to unravel the front section and then go on to apply water, because this is not funny. Upon all the hair product, all the butter, all the oil that I'm using, my hair is still running dry every minute, every second and every hour, but it's fine. As far as there's still water, I will still keep on applying water on it. And here is for the front section, the same method of twisting, and boom, I'm done here and there. This is it. I'm not even yet done, and my face has started screaming beauty. What is it? Well, this is it. This is how it came out looking. It's very beautiful and very hot again. Let me know in the comment section. I love you all.